Elon Musk's journey to becoming one of the world's richest and most influential entrepreneurs is a story that begins with curiosity, ambition, and an extraordinary drive to solve problems that most people would not even dare to imagine. Because from his earliest years, Elon showed an unusual fascination with technology, computers, and the idea of shaping the future, and this fascination became the foundation upon which he built his entire life, leading him step by step through challenges, failures, breakthroughs, and historic achievements that eventually made him a billionaire many times over. But his success was not a matter of luck, rather it was the result of relentless work, daring risks, and a continuous desire to create something larger than himself. Elon Musk was born in Pretoria, South Africa, in 1971, and as a child he was quiet, introverted, and often lost in his world of books, computers, and imagination, spending countless hours reading science fiction, encyclopedias, and engineering concepts that shaped his belief that human beings are capable of extraordinary things if they push themselves hard enough, and this belief grew stronger when at age 12 he created and sold a video game called Blaster, earning his first small amount of money and proving to himself that he could build ideas into reality, something that would later define every major step of his career. Growing up, Elon faced bullying and loneliness, yet instead of letting those experiences break him, he turned inward and strengthened his mind, developing a habit of thinking deeply about complex problems, especially about technology and the future of humanity, and this mindset eventually pushed him to look beyond South Africa, realizing that if he wanted to achieve something truly large, he needed to go to America, which he believed was the land where the biggest dreams could come true. So he left home as a teenager with a plan to reach the United States through Canada, hoping to create a better future. After studying at Queen's University in Canada and later transferring to the University of Pennsylvania in the United States, Elon focused heavily on physics and economics, two fields that taught him how the world works both scientifically and financially, and he believed that understanding these two subjects together would help him create meaningful solutions to real-world problems. And after graduating he briefly entered a PhD program at Stanford University but dropped out after just 2 days because he felt that the internet revolution was happening right at that moment, and he did not want to miss it. With almost no money but a huge belief in the power of the internet, Elon Musk created his first company, Zip2, along with his brother Kimball, and they worked day and night, often sleeping in the office and showering at a local gym, because they could not afford more. And despite the struggle they kept pushing forward, eventually building software that helped newspapers put their content online, and after years of hard work Zip2 was sold to Compaq for hundreds of millions of dollars, giving Elon his first major wealth and allowing him to take a significant step forward in his entrepreneurial career. Instead of retiring or living comfortably after the sale, Elon reinvested almost all of his money into his next venture, an online financial service that he believed could revolutionize banking, and this idea eventually became X.com, a platform that later merged with another company to form PayPal, a service that changed the way people move money online, and although the company went through internal conflicts that pushed Elon out of the CEO position, he still remained one of the largest shareholders, and when eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion, Elon received a huge payout that increased his wealth significantly, giving him enough financial power to take even bigger risks. With money in his hands and ambition in his heart, Elon Musk turned his attention to dreams that seemed impossible to most people, starting with space exploration, which he believed was essential for the future of humanity, because he felt that humans must become a multiplanetary species in order to survive long-term. And to work towards this dream he founded SpaceX in 2002. A company that aimed to create affordable rockets and eventually take humans to Mars. But in its early years SpaceX faced repeated rocket failures, financial crises, and the possibility of permanent closure, yet Elon refused to give up, pushing his team harder and investing almost all his remaining money into keeping the company alive until finally, after several failed launches, SpaceX succeeded in sending its Falcon 1 rocket into orbit, becoming the first privately funded company to achieve such a milestone. This moment changed everything, because NASA took notice and awarded SpaceX major contracts, giving the company not only credibility but also the financial support it needed to grow, and from that point onward SpaceX built more advanced rockets, developed reusable technology, and continued breaking records, eventually reshaping the global space industry and making Elon one of the wealthiest innovators in the world. But even while building SpaceX, he was also working on Tesla, his electric car company that aimed to transform the entire automotive industry. When Elon joined Tesla, electric cars were considered unrealistic, boring, and too weak to compete with gasoline vehicles, but he believed that with the right engineering and vision, electric vehicles could become the future of transportation, and he invested heavily in the company, pushing engineers to create fast, efficient, and stylish electric cars that could outperform traditional ones. Yet Tesla's early years were filled with financial trouble, production delays, and public criticism, with many experts claiming that the company would fail. But Elon kept working tirelessly, risking his money again and again, even at one point coming close to bankruptcy. But his perseverance eventually paid off when Tesla successfully launched the Roadster and later the Model S, which became revolutionary vehicles that changed the world's perception of electric cars forever. As Tesla grew, its stock price rose dramatically, turning Elon Musk into a billionaire many times over, and the company kept expanding into new markets with the launch of the Model X, Model 3, and Model Y, becoming one of the most valuable automotive companies in history. And Elon's wealth kept increasing as Tesla shares soared, eventually making him the richest person in the world at various times. Yet even with this wealth, he continued working on new ideas such as SolarCity for clean energy, Neuralink for brain-computer interfaces, the Boring Company for underground transportation, and Starlink for high-speed global internet through satellite networks, each project connected by his desire to improve the future of humanity. Every step he took, whether in space, cars, energy, or technology, was driven by the belief that the world could be better, faster, cleaner, and more advanced, and he refused to stay within the limits of traditional thinking, pushing himself and his teams to move beyond what was considered possible. And this mindset was the true source of his success. Because while many people chase money, Elon chased problems, and by solving huge global problems he created massive value, which in turn generated the enormous wealth he now possesses. Elon Musk became rich because he was willing to take extreme risks, work harder than almost anyone, invest nearly all his money into his own companies, and continue moving forward even when everything seemed to be falling apart, and he believed that success comes from dreaming big and refusing to give up, no matter how difficult the journey becomes, and this belief guided him through all the ups and downs of his career, ultimately making him one of the most impactful figures of the modern era, whose work is shaping the future of energy, transportation, space travel, and human civilization itself. In the end, Elon's wealth is the result of vision, persistence, innovation, and the courage to attempt what others consider impossible, and his story shows that greatness is not built overnight but through years of sacrifice, dedication, and an unshakable commitment to changing the world step by step, idea by idea, and invention by invention, until one day the impossible becomes reality and a dream becomes history.